bus comes in Central train station, and this is a building of my accommodation. I will show you inside my house. It's quite amazing. This is the main street of this city, and here is a supermarket just only 20 meters. There is my gate. I will show you. And here is a train station, just a walking distance, like in 800 meters. New house in Italy. This is my bedroom. It's a laptop table, work table. I'm watching some Taliban video. Here is the balcony, gallery. This is the road. Bus stop is very near here. So now here is me, and now I will show you my kitchen. Internet facility. There is a sofa. Everyday cup of coffee make your days better. One good thought. This is dining. Here's the kitchen, including the kitchen. Washing machine is here. Oven. Dishwasher. And here is a gas. Here is the refrigerator. This. And here is some open space like gallery. I clean my clothes today morning only. This is some open space here. It's quite big, and this apartment is quite amazing. 2 toilets are there. So here is a toilet and room. Like, it's quite amazing. Here one more room is there, but now I am not using this room because of I am using just only one single room. This outside the room. Here one bathroom is there. Here is bathroom, similar kind of same bathroom. And here is a gate telephone. Here is the entry of this house, the telephone, and the gate. Someone are come on this particular gate, so that press the button and I receive the phone here. And this accommodation cost in 1 month like 25,000. Not so expensive, but it's quite amazing. So this is my new accommodation in Italy for 1 month.